Welcome YouTube customer. A lot of the YouTube customer start to ask for multi-factor authentication with the YouTube server. On the market, they have so many products to support MFA. What is MFA? MFA is the way to try to authentication not just based on username password, also need to additional passcode for security checking to make sure the valid user can connect to your system. So I will try to provide a simple demo to give an idea how YouTube UO server to support multi-factor authentication. So for this, I will using one AI system because this AI system already have environment to send by email. So I already create one particular send underscore passcode.sh script file to send the email. You can see the syntax like this. If you use it on the different platform, you need to modify the program to implement on your environment. So for this video, in the description field, I also will attach the download link. You can download all the program, all the source code, so you can very easy to test this concept to working on your YouTube server. So I also will using two clients to demo how they work. One is UOJ, one is UOPY. So before I can using the demo client program connect to the server, I need to create one control file called MFACTRL control file. So for this control file, they will try to store the passcode and also have your email address or phone number, or maybe can set up additional to validate the passcode valid time periods, or maybe you can put additional security for IP address checking. After I have a master control file, I also need to call one UO login security subroutine. It's optional for Unidata for Universe. Inside the logic, basically, I need to get the login name, your username. On Windows, they have an additional code to remove the domain name information. Then next, we'll try to open the file to check the user whether it's defined in the MFACTRL file. So they need to, on your license, and you need a way to register the user, the email, phone number are inside this MFA control file. So when you first time from your client send to the server, basically it's no passcode. So when server receive no passcode, they will first time will generate the passcode and put it in the MFA control file. Then need a way to send the passcode back to the user by email or text message. Then second time, when they make a connection again, it will validate your passcode with the code defined in the MFA control file. I will show you one by one to explain how you work with the UO server. The first, I need a way to send out the email to your client. For my demo, I just use an email, not phone text message. But it's a lot of different way you can implement on your live system with some third-party product by send out the text message to the phone. So here's just a simple way on AX system. So that's a way you can by mail send the first one, it will send out the passcode, and the parameter 2 is basically the email address is defined by MFACTRL file. So after you have this file, then first I need to create the MFA control file. So how you create it, I already provide one particular basic subroutine. So that's the basic subroutine called create file DICT MFACTRL. So basically, you create a dictionary and create one particular sample user, so I can test it. So go back this. So first, maybe I already create before, so I can delete it. So this file already deleted. Then I can run this program to regenerate. So this program, I will create it. So if you're looking for a dictionary and MFACTRL, so that's the generate by a program to create a dictionary. I also create one testing user already on this system. So after I create it, make sure the user have a correct right permission for every user. So just for testing purpose, I can set up everyone can update this particular file, so I can write a code to here. So next one will be need to compile the UO login subroutine. So for the UO login subroutine, so will be number 8. So first I compile it, then I need to catalog the UO login subroutine to this system. So after I set up the environment, is ready for testing now. So first, I like to create the UOJ sample program to test it. So for UOJ, it's the Java program. So basically, you can see the Java program. You make a connection. So first time you try to make a connection, here the first time try to make a connect, because it's no passcode, so you will fail. So come back the second time, I got a failure. Then I will waiting for a passcode. You see, please input the passcode way here and attach the append the passcode to the username and put the try to make a connection on the second time. So here's the program. I will show you how you work. So first, I like to run the program from the DOS command. You can see that's the environment. So I already compiled it, and after compile it, I can try to run it. So this is particularly for Universe and UVCS. Then I can try to connect to this server. So that's the name, host name. So I can use for connection part. So for the connection, so you will see you need to put the username or password. So for this case, I have the IP address. I put the IP address. So that's the server I have. So I put the username. So you connect to hs.sales. So you are waiting for you asking for the passcode. So for this passcode, I need to waiting for the passcode back. So you see the passcode was 558513. 558513. So that's the passcode 558. Look at it again. So that's the passcode of 558. So that's the passcode. So show you the passcode is 558513. 513. So you will connect. So you will return the data successful back. So if you put the wrong passcode, you will fail. The next one I will using UOPY client to demo the similar function. So next one, you will see the sample program. That is the Python program. So for the Python program, the same thing. You will first time you will make a connection. Definitely you will fail. So you will get the A0011 error. So after you get the passcode back, so after you get a passcode back, you can send out the second connection successful. So you will see how you work. So I will show you the next one. So next one, I will using the one particular Python code, Python UOPY connect .nfa tnfa.py. So it's the same thing. I need to connect to universe, and the machine name, same thing, same machine name. So this is the server, and connect to hs.sales. I need to input the username, password. So the same thing, you will try to get the passcode from your mail server. So this time, mail server is different. It's 143.143.513. Also, you can see from MFACTRL. So you will see the same passcode from this machine, 143.513, 143.513. So that's the passcode 143.153. So see, if you input the wrong passcode 143.153, so it's put the wrong passcode, it will detect. It actually is 513, not 153. So we can try it again for second time. So we show you the same thing to run the UOPY connection. So localhost will be this machine is AX machine 244 on 19. So if you connect to this h.sales, the username so it's still waiting for the passcode. The passcode I can show you this time. The passcode will be different. So if you this time we're 513 413 513. If you look at the email, it says 413 513, 413 and 513. So if you 413 513. So this time, if you input the correct passcode, you will make a connection successful. So you can download all the related source code from the description field to test the U2 MFA solution. I hope you can enjoy this video and find the best solution for your testing environment.